I like jelly beans. I also like cranberry juice. And in today's lesson, we're looking at how to use fewer and less. And even native speakers sometimes get this wrong. So, in this glass, is there less cranberry juice or is there fewer cranberry juice? First of all, question, can you count juice? Do we say 1 juice, 2 juices, 3 juices, 4 juices? Can you count water? Do we say 2 waters? What about milk? Do we say 2 milks, 3 milks? No, we don't. So, for nouns that we don't count, we use less. So in this glass, there is less cranberry juice than this one. Can you count jelly beans? Do we say 1 jelly bean, 2 jelly beans, 3 jelly beans? Yes, we do. So, for things that you can count, we use fewer. So, in this glass, there are fewer jelly beans than in this glass. For things you can count, we use fewer. For things we can't count, we use less. Because they have so much sugar, I should eat fewer jelly beans. But I like them too much. I can't. See you next time. Bye for now.